welcome back to our YouTube channel Learning Pocket. In this second video of Git and GitHub tutorial, I'll be going to show some more features of GitHub. Let's see what we have done in the previous video. We have uploaded these two files, demo.py and test.py, using Git bash terminal. In this video, we will be going to clone this repository named GitHub demo, and we will be doing some more changes and uploading it to the same repository again. We will be learning pull request in this video and all. So basically what will be the application of this video. Suppose you want to contribute in your friend's project, or your friend want to contribute in your project, then this video is very helpful for that. Okay, suppose this is Learning Pocket is your friend, and your friend have created a repository named GitHub demo, and he has added two files, demo.py and test.py. You have to edit these two files and you have to submit it again on the same repository. Okay, so let's see how you can do this. I have created this repository GitHub demo from the account of Learning Pocket. Now I will clone this repository through my account. Okay, before cloning that, we have to fork this repository so that a copy of this repository is made in our personal account through which we have forked. Okay, so simply just click on this fork button and it will be forked in a minute. Okay, so a copy of this GitHub demo repository is created in my personal account. After that, you have simply go to code and copy this command. Okay, after that, let me create a folder, and you have to open command prompt in this folder using cmd. Okay, after that you have to write git clone and paste that what you have copied from there. Okay, this will clone this that repository in our folder. You will see the GitHub demo is right here, and we have these two files. Okay, so let's change something in these two files, and okay, so let's add another line, console.log, sorry, hello world. Okay, after saving it, we will open git bash, which you have installed in the previous video. Okay, if you find any problem installing, you just comment down, we will be help you. Okay, opening this git bash. After that, you have to write git add dot. You can write git add dot to add these two files, or you can simply write git add test.py. Okay, because you have made changes in this only git add, oh sorry, test.py file. Let me write git add dot. Okay, let's check the status of this. So your branch is up to date, and we have to commit these changes. Okay, so let's commit the changes. Git commit -m, and your comment added another line. Okay, now we have made the commit. You can check the history of this full process using git log. Okay, so these are the two commits which I have made. Okay, now let's now we have committed these two files. Now we have to push it to the personal repository which we have make the copy of that main repository which we have on which we have forked that. Okay, so let us check one more thing. Git remote -v, it will show me some links which tells us that this is used for fetch and this is used for push. Okay, let me simply push it using git push command. It will ask my credentials. Okay, sorry. After that, you will see I have made the changes, everything is up to date, and you will see the repository. Okay, let's refresh this, and you will see the changes in here. Okay, now let's push the changes from your personal repository to this learning pocket repository. You have to simply make a pull request over it. Okay, and you have to create a new pull request, and you have to simply create it. You can add comments. This is the comment which I have added using git commit. Okay, you can add, and after that simply create pull request. Okay, it will branch has no conflicts with the base branch, and the pull request is sent to the learning pocket account. As soon as the learning pocket account's pull request is merged, the changes made by you will be reflected there. Okay, so this is in this this is it in this video. Hope you will get hope you have got a lot of information in this video. If you got any problem, if you're stuck at any point, just comment down below. We will definitely help you all. And yes, stay tuned for more updates of the videos, and just like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe our channel Learning Talk. Okay, thank you, bye bye.